Sometimes people simply cannot pick a lane. Now, this can be either because they're restless or even reckless while driving, and they just weave in and out. Sometimes people have no idea where they are, where they're going, and what's going on. And that's what happened today on this episode of Jay's Dashcam. Check it out.
Thanks, Dick. I appreciate it. Well, 2 Corollas, so...
Yeah. One old, one new.
Yep. But now we're all stuck here.
Yeah, he's stupid. Oh,
What the fuck? Are you serious?
For real?
Are you serious?
What an ass. Oh, careful. Makes a right anyway. Unbelievable.
Just wanted to see what would happen. That's a good dash cam clip right there. Oh,
What?
look at him now.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, he wants
now
to make
he's
a
got
right.
now he's got his signal on.
He wants to make a right from the middle lane. What an ass. Does he just not know where he's going?
Maybe.
So I don't know what happened to that guy or where he went, where he was trying to go to, and frankly, I just don't care. As long as he's out of my way and away from my car, that's the main thing. And that's why you need a dash cam. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.